Liminal space is the time between the what was and the next. It is a place of transition, waiting, and not knowing. It could be the time before a decision is made, or a physical space between one destination and the next. Liminal space to me perfectly captivates the feeling of loneliness. Images of open spaces that we are used to seeing full are just empty, as if everyone on Earth just disappeared. The thing that makes liminal spaces slightly discomforting is the fact that these spaces tell a story in a way. A once happy and fun place where you go to relax and enjoy yourself can so quickly be turned into an isolated and abandoned void, leaving you to only guess why it was left behind. This idea of liminal space reminds me of the movie The Langoliers by Stephen King, a story about 10 passengers on a cross-country red-eye flight from Los Angeles to Boston. These 10 passengers wake up to find that their fellow passengers have mysteriously disappeared. Throughout the entire movie, the idea of liminal spaces is inadvertently shown from the empty airport all the way to the end of the film, where reality seemingly gets ripped apart by these round creatures called the Langoliers. Stephen King displays many liminal spaces throughout his books and movies, from the hallway in the movie The Shining to the communal bathroom in the movie It. But this idea goes far deeper than I can explain. Think about when the world shut down 3 years ago, how empty and lonely you felt. The world was in a place of not knowing what's going to happen in the next couple of months, for some, the next couple of days. It's that feeling of not knowing that makes these places scary to some. If you immerse yourself in these images of liminal spaces, you will find it creates a level of cognitive dissonance. This feeling is called the uncanny valley effect. It is the reason why many people find clowns and dolls scary. It is the idea of something being very predictable, but simultaneously deeply unfamiliar, resulting in a feeling of revulsion. While we are attracted by the familiar feature, such as a smile, we are repulsed by the unfamiliar, such as the dead eyes of a doll, causing a contradictory and unsettling feeling. Although these spaces seem scary, the idea itself is something we all need to ponder, something we all need to experience, and something we all need to overcome. Without these spaces in our lives, growth is not possible. I leave you with a quote by William Blake. In the universe, there are things that are known and things that are unknown, and in between them, there are doors.